Job opportunity, Mahindra City. Immediate recruitment. Open positions. Quality operator. Storekeeper. Welding operator. Lab technician. Salary, 20,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees month. Working hours, 8-hour shift. Qualification. Diploma. B.Sc, Chemistry. B.UT, any stream. Eligibility. Male candidates only. Age, 18 to 35 years. Freshers experienced both can apply. Contact number 9994 Call today, don't miss this opportunity.